What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy day today. Bitcoin giveth and Bitcoin taketh away. Today's Halloween, so happy Halloween. And we're having a red day. So instead of treats, we're having tricks. PCE numbers came in, but they came in as expected. We're gonna take a look at that, and we're gonna take a look at what's going on across the market. It's just a little bit of fear, and that is that's apropos for Halloween, right? Halloween's supposed to be kind of a scary day. So today is kind of a scary day. We're gonna take a look at the markets, and we're gonna take a look at, speaking of scary, we're gonna take a look at a ghost picture. I don't know if any of you believe in ghosts. I didn't until I took this picture. We're gonna see. I bring it out every year. I don't know if people believe it or not, but it's true. It's a ghost picture. And so without further ado, let's do this. Okay, so Bitcoin has rejected from this area right here, which would be the next area we're fighting, new all-time high area, right? And that's fine, that's cool. It could be that we come back down here, right? I don't know that we do or not. It could be that we kind of stay right around here. It could be later on. This just turns out, this body right here, today's red day, just turns out to be a wick, but we'll see. There's fears regarding the elections, that Trump might not win. PCE came in today, but that came in as expected. Okay, and it's actually going down, right? Previous was 2.2, and now it's at 2.1. So all that stuff is actually pretty positive. It doesn't really affect the next week's. It shouldn't affect next week's Fed decision, which people are expecting a 25 basis point cut, which will be positive. But the market took it that way. And then other markets, for example, like the Dow Jones, look at this drop. There's a gap right here. The Dow Jones, the NASDAQ, also big drop, you know, as it was going up this way. So markets are spooked right now. Big gap in the S&P 500 right here as well. Big drop. Markets are kind of spooked right now. They're worried about government bond yields rising. Okay, 10-year rising. Okay, so these are things that now we got to take a look at. DXY though, although now it's green, it looked like it was turning over. Today it was dropping lower. You can see it. So let's see. I think maybe it does kind of try to hold on here, but I think it is going to lose the battle. And I think it's just people kind of nervous. Maybe people taking profits, a little bit of manipulation. We'll see as the more data starts coming out tomorrow. So some more data comes out again next week. The Fed meeting expected to cut. So we'll see. No big deal. Again, red days to me are just big buying opportunities. Okay, and I hope you guys do buy and position yourselves. We're having a red day, and the others, right, which means altcoins, low caps. The lower cap ones are probably at good deals. Miggles has rejected here strongly. That's fine. Toshi also rejected here strongly. That's fine. KeyCat rejecting. Dog and me also. These are the ones that I'd be looking at very strongly. Apple said it could possibly drop down here because it's very volatile. Now it's back up here above the 0.010 area, and that's cool. Right around here is actually good areas to be nibbling, to be buying. All these red days, if you had missed when they were moving up, now they come back down. Crypto always gives you opportunities, multiple opportunities to buy at certain prices. I would be looking very strongly right now at Synverse. I think that one's going to do extremely well. And what else? That's pretty much it. Creo is also another one that I'd be looking at. Gaming play. Synverse is a gaming play. Soonverse is also having a red day today. Let's see if it holds on to this area where it's at right now. Also, I would be buying. I mentioned Ban. Ban is having a green day today, which is a comedian, which is this banana thing, right? Interesting play. I'd be looking at it. I'd also be looking at MSTR. MSTR 31 million market cap. MSTR 2100, another meme play. Okay, holding on to this area. I think from this, if we don't lose it, I think from here is where we're going to start moving up. So far, it's been holding on the last few days. So pretty interesting plays to look at, guys. A lot of opportunity. Don't think that everything is turning over. It's going to crap. It could be that we drop more. It could be that we even drop down to 68,000, right? 68,000 closed that futures gap that I mentioned to you guys yesterday, right? That right here. between 68,000 and 67,500 ish. So that's might be, but we still have a long ways to go to drop to that level. I don't know that we do it, but I mean, hey, I've been wrong before. It could happen, right? But things are, it's just Halloween. It is what it is. Okay, so take it for what it is. Take it for as opportunity. And now let's take a look at something. Although these markets are looking somewhat scary, but not really. Again, just opportunity. Let's take a look at this. Now, before this picture, I didn't believe in ghosts. This is 2013 right here. Okay, I took a selfie, and I lived in this apartment all by my lonesome. And a year later, I was just looking at old pictures, and I came across this, and someone I was with was like, "What's that black thing behind you?" And I was like, "What's that black thing behind me?" And turns out, look at this. I captured a selfie. This ghost photobombed me. Look how black it is. You can make out the eyes right here. There's like an eye right here, an eye right here. It's kind of like a longish nose. You can see like hair, right? You can see the hair, and then kind of like bangs, right? And it has like a mouth right here, and I think this right here is like a tongue. And these are like, this is like a hand kind of reaching out, like that. It's just, I didn't believe in ghosts or anything like to that before this. Okay, my spiritual beliefs at the time were even less, but when I saw this, I'm like, holy crap, what is that? You guys tell me what it is. And I bring it out every year because it fits with Halloween, right? With the theme of Halloween and everything like that. I don't know if people think it's fake or not, or what, but it is definitely not fake. And I know it's not crypto related, but it is Halloween, and so I figured I'd just show you guys that. Let me know what you guys think in the comment, all three of you. If you guys have ever seen anything like that before, if you think it's fake, it's not fake. I'm not one of those people to sit there and make up stuff. Like, why would I even do that? I wouldn't even know how to do that. It goes below my abilities. Lost my train of thought, but yeah. So that's the ghost picture. Let's not spend more time on it. But definitely let me know what you think. Can you see the face? Can you make it out? I mean, it looks mad. It looks evil. It looks dark, right? So I don't know. It gets me thinking to like, if there really is these things that science says this shouldn't exist, right? But science obviously doesn't know. Science obviously doesn't know. I didn't make this up. I mean, you could clearly make it out. It looks like they have like their back. This is like their back, and it's kind of like turning sideways, right? Turning sideways, looking sideways, and with its hand arm over here, kind of like going back this way towards me. I don't know if it's a woman. It also looks kind of like those Hawaiian tiki faces, right? Those faces. Like, I don't know, but it's not human, and it's definitely not made up by me, and it's pretty scary. When I saw this a year later, I was freaked out. There's more to the story because I did experience like weird things. I didn't believe in stuff, so I didn't think it was like any ghost activity, but yeah. So that's that. Happy Halloween, boys and girls. And so far, let's see if this was the drop. Buying opportunities, guys. I don't know that we dropped too much. I don't know that we drop all the way down here, guys. Back to Bitcoin. Let's see if we can't break on through in these next couple of days. Today, tomorrow. I think maybe next week. Maybe we spend the bottom, the part down here into November. Right, I mean tomorrow's November, right? The early part of November, like we did in October, the early part of October dropping a little bit, and then boom, all the way up again. I don't think that we're gonna go all the way back down here into 60s or whatever. Again, maybe we just come down in these next couple of days into next week, close the gap, come back up. Possible. Let's see what happens. We'll take it day by day. But then again, next week the Fed rate cut, so I think things are gonna get extremely bullish, extremely quick. So when there's red days, guys, make sure you start buying. Okay, we'll leave it there. We'll leave it there. Happy Halloween for those of you that celebrate or whatever. Trick or treat. We're having a red day, but again, buying opportunity. All right, guys, we're gonna leave it there. Let me know what you think about that ghost picture. If you can, please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment. I'm trying to grow this channel, and all that stuff really does help. With all that said, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Peace.